In today's video, we're going to show you how you can convert an Excel file into a PDF file. For this, first of all, you need to set up the page layout. Now we're going to set up the page layout. Let's go to the tab Page Layout. Here you can see a square box, bottom of the print title. Here, click there. This is the page setup. And then here you can see there is an option landscape. We're selecting this. And now go to the margin tab. Central on page, we want the page in the middle of the page. So we're selecting horizontally and vertically. Look, here you can see a preview that this file has been centered. Click OK. Now let's go to the file. Then save as. I'm selecting this folder. I'm going to rename is sales data. Then I'm going to convert save as PDF. Now save. Look, this is a sales data and it's converted into a PDF file. This is how you can convert the Excel file into a PDF file. Thank you for watching the video.